It's common for investors to think they lose money because they picked the wrong stock, which makes sense. But what if the stock wasn't the problem at all? What if you were right about the company, but just wrong about the timing? After helping self-directed investors for more than 30 years, we've seen this same mistake over and over again here at VectorVest. Investors spend hours figuring out what to buy and almost no time figuring out whether it's actually a good time to be buying in the market. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple rules that can help you stop buying too early and start entering when the odds are more in your favor. Because here's the big mistake. A good stock bought at the wrong time can be a bad investment. So let's get to it. Rule number 1. Great stocks can still lose money. Most investors believe that if they find a great company, timing really doesn't matter. But that's simply not how markets work. Imagine you own one of the best boats ever built. It's strong, it's reliable, and it's built to handle really rough conditions. Now imagine taking that boat and putting it in the middle of a hurricane. The problem isn't the boat, the problem is the weather. And stocks work the same way. A quality company can still lose value when the overall market is under pressure. And we've seen plenty of strong companies fall during major market corrections. And it's not because the company all of a sudden became bad, but because market demand simply disappeared. And that's the first lesson. A great stock does not automatically mean a great investment. The timing matters. Rule number 2, stop fighting the current. Think of the market like a river. When the current is moving in your direction, progress becomes much easier, and you don't have to fight for every single inch. But when you're paddling upstream, even a strong boat struggles to make progress. And the market creates momentum. When the market trend is working against you, even good stocks will often struggle. And that's why investors sometimes buy good quality companies and still lose money. They're fighting the current. They're trying to force a trade while market conditions are moving in the other direction. And the goal isn't to be smarter than the market. The goal is to work with it because it's a lot easier to paddle downstream than it is upstream. That brings us to rule number 3. Confirmation beats conviction. And this really might be the most important rule of all. Many investors rely on conviction. They say things like, I think this is the bottom, or I think the stock is ready. Maybe even, I think the market's finally about to turn. Maybe they're right, but maybe they're not. The problem is that conviction by itself doesn't pay the bills, but confirmation does. Conviction says, I think it's time. Confirmation says the market agrees. And that's a huge difference because being right eventually can still cost you money. So let's imagine that we have 2 investors and they buy the same stock. One buys while the market is still falling. The other waits for evidence that the market demand is returning. And both may eventually be right, but your second investor often experiences less pain, less drawdown, and a much smoother ride. And that's why confirmation beats conviction. Instead of trying to predict what's happening next, wait for the evidence that conditions are improving. So the practical question becomes, how do you know when the market demand is actually returning? How do you know whether you're paddling with the current or against it? At VectorVest, we use the market Launchpad to help investors answer those exact questions without relying on opinions and headlines and guesswork. It helps investors to quickly understand what the market is doing and whether conditions are becoming more favorable for buying. Now, the goal is not predicting the future. Nobody can do that, let's be honest. But the goal is recognizing when the market is starting to work in your favor. Because when stock selection and market conditions begin to align, investors can make decisions with a lot more confidence. Once logged into the Market Launchpad, our proprietary data will provide you the information that you need to know as an investor if market conditions are being supportive. See with this example right here? Now is the time to buy safe stocks rising in price. But as conditions change in the market, VectorVest proprietary algorithms will adapt to changing market conditions, and the guidance on the homepage will change with it, letting you know if it is a safe time to buy. Also letting you know to get ready for potential buying opportunities. In addition, letting you know that now is not a good time to be buying and focusing on your current positions instead, checking your stops and holding off on any new buys until it's safe to do so. And lastly, being defensive in the market. Now would be the appropriate time to sit on the sidelines, tighten stop criteria, or play the market to the downside. So let's bring all of this together. Most investors spend almost all of their time asking, what should I buy? But the better question is it time to buy? Because like we said, a great stock bought at the wrong time can still lose money. And that's what we covered with these 3 rules today. Remember, rule number 1, great stocks can still lose money. Rule number 2, stop fighting the current. And rule number 3, confirmation beats conviction. The goal isn't to predict what the market's going to do next. The goal is to recognize when the market is starting to work in your favor, to buy when the market demand is supporting the trade instead of fighting against it. Because when you consistently buy too early, investing starts to become frustrating. You find good companies, you do your research, and somehow the stock still goes down. But when you learn to align good stocks with a supportive market condition, investing becomes much simpler. You stop guessing, you stop chasing, and you can enter trades with a lot more confidence because you know the market is moving with you instead of against you. Now, if you'd like a simple way to help stay on the right side of the market, take a look at the VectorVest Market Launchpad. It is designed to help self-directed investors quickly understand what the market's doing, whether conditions are becoming more favorable for buying, and how to approach the market with a rules-based process instead of relying on opinions and headlines. You can test drive the software for yourself using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.